Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and boy has it been a while, but we are back and it's advent calendar season and the first of the 2023 advent calendar unboxings will be from Lookfantastic. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you will be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. And we are starting earlier this year, so there will be a lot to come. So the Lookfantastic advent calendar here is actually a multi-brand advent calendar, which I personally love a lot more than single brand advent calendars because you get a lot more value and a lot more variety in these multi-brand ones. Now this one here is actually valued at over 1,100 Australian dollars, but retails for 275 Australian dollars. And you can get a 15% discount if you shop through their app. There's meant to be 10 full-size products and 17 deluxe size products inside. The box design is actually very interesting. You open up the ribbon and you have access to the days on both sides, with day 25 being shared in the middle. If you've been eyeing the Lookfantastic advent calendar, I'll put a link below on where you can get it because these advent calendars tend to sell out really fast. Okay, let's start. First day, and we have the mini ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. This one is 28 mils and the full size is normally 100 mils, which retails for 138 Australian dollars at ELEMIS. So I actually haven't tried their essence before, but this one is supposed to be super hydrating and it tackles fine lines and wrinkles. This is also supposed to nourish your skin for 24 hours and it claims to double your skin's moisture, leaving you with a youthful glow. And it also contains hyaluronic acid, which we love. Day 2, and we have the mini Espa Positivity Bath and Shower Gel. Honestly, I am so biased when it comes to Espa, and if you watched any of my advents last year, you would know that Espa is one of my favorite brands. So I love to see it when it's included in multi-advent calendars. This is 100 ml, which is still pretty sizable for a mini and perfect for traveling. The full size is 250 mils, which normally retails for 45 Australian dollars at Lookfantastic. Guys, this actually smells so refreshing. Oh my gosh. Moving on to day 3, and we have the mini Dr. Paw Collagen Lip Oil. Admittedly, I have never tried a collagen lip oil before, so I am very intrigued to try this. It's also supposed to be fragrance-free and vegan, which is a bonus. This is 8 mils and retails for about 11 Australian dollars. It has been infused with aloe vera, pawpaw, and olive oil. So, day number 4 is the mini NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. I actually remember this being so hyped up back in the days, and this is still one of their iconic blush shades. I honestly don't even remember where I put mine, and this is such a nice small size. It's great for traveling, not too big, not too small, and perfect for on the go. This one is 1.2 grams, about half the size of the full size, which normally retails for 27 Australian dollars at Mecca. We have day 5, and it is the Mini Disciple Shadow Work AHA BHA Face Serum. This one is not one I've heard of, unfortunately. So apparently this is meant to resurface your skin using natural plant acids, salicylic acid, and glycolic acid, which works to remove dead skin cells, brighten the appearance of pigmented areas, and exfoliate. It sounds very promising, but I actually can't find a price for this product. Next is day 6, and oh my gosh, it is my absolute favorite. It is the mini Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love this product. It's one of my favorites, and love the smell, love the texture, and the feeling it leaves after. If you have not tried this product, I highly recommend for you to try this. This is 25 mils, which retails for about 12 Australian dollars. Day 7 is the Lookfantastic 4-piece makeup set of brushes and velvet pouch. This is actually super convenient for traveling and the pouch feels super nice. There's 4 different brushes, which is really handy. It looks like we have a liner, powder, eyeshadow, and blending brush. Very handy for traveling for sure. On day 8, we have the full-size Ico London Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. I am always a fan of liquid eyeliner over pencil eyeliners because they just give a much cleaner look. This one retails for 30 Australian dollars. Apparently this will give you up to 9 hours of wear and is enriched with moisturizing sodium hyaluronate and is vegan. Moving on to day 9, and we actually have 2 products. It's the Mini Medicate Surface Radiance Cleanse and the Mini Medicate C Tetra Serum. Medik8 is actually one of those brands that have a lot of hype around them. I have used some of their products before, but never the cleanser and the serum. So super excited to try this one. So the cleanser is 40 ml and it is a resurfacing cleanser with AHA, BHA, and it contains mangosteen. Mangosteen is actually one of my favorite fruits and I always have it when I'm back in Bali. Now this one does contain BHA, so I will not be able to use this until after it's safe after my pregnancy. So this one usually retails for 51 Australian dollars at the full size of 150 ml. The C Tetra Serum is 8 ml and it is a vitamin C radiant serum. This one is also great for sensitive skin and minimizes fine lines and wrinkles as well as balancing and brightening the skin. The full size of this one is usually 30 ml and retails for 86 Australian dollars. Day 10 is the full size Origins Mega Mushroom Treatment Lotion. Now this one is 200 ml and it retails for 61 Australian dollars at Mecca. Truthfully, I have never come across this brand, so this is very new to me. This is a vegan product that is meant to be skin strengthening. It helps to hydrate, brighten, calm, and minimizes pores. I am always a fan of products that pore minimize, but I'm also intrigued that this is a skin strengthener. Now you use this one after cleansing and before toning. Very excited to try this. Moving on to day 11, and once again we have two products. They are both minis and it is the Color Wow Dream Clean Duo. We have the shampoo and the conditioner. Both are 30 ml. I've tried Color Wow's hairspray before, but never their shampoo and conditioners. These usually retail for about 40 Australian dollars each at their full size of 250 ml. Day 12 is the Mini Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade Posh. This is 2.5 grams and it's a beautiful shade of pink. This is such a nice universal pink. It is such a lovely shade. The full size usually retails for 44 Australian dollars at Sephora. We are over the halfway mark and on day 13 we have the Mini IsoClean Cosmetic Sponge Cleaner. I have actually been looking for a really good sponge cleaner for my beauty blenders, so this will definitely come in handy. It's 110 ml, which will go a long way, and this retails for $67.20 Australian dollars at 9th Avenue. On to day 14 and we have the full-size GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum. Now this is one I've actually tried before. I absolutely love it. There's a lot of hype around this product and for good reason. This is probably one of the best lash serums I have ever tried. This retails for 105 Australian dollars in Sephora. Day 15 is the Airy Lookfantastic Winter Thyme Mini Candle. I am always going to say yes to a candle. I'm a huge candle lover. This one actually smells really strong. I can definitely sense the clove, orange, and cinnamon notes in this one. The full-size candle usually goes for 69 Australian dollars at the Iconic. Moving on to day 16, and we have 3 full-size Beauty Pro Retinol eye patches. Now, I'm actually a huge fan of these type of gel eye masks. They are so convenient for self-care days, but this one does contain retinol, so I will be waiting until it's safe for after pregnancy before I get to use these. So they sell this in the set of 3 for £5, and I currently cannot find these sold in Australia. They are single use and also contain vitamin C and aloe. I am a big fan of retinol, so I will definitely be using these later on. On day 17, we have the full-size MAC Cosmetics MACStack Mascara Mega Brush. Now this is MAC's lengthening and volumizing mascara. It's 12 ml and retails for 57 Australian dollars at Mecca. It's a very buildable mascara too. On day 18 is the full-size Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Now it's got labeled here that it is the #1 makeup sponge for light to medium coverage. These actually retail at Priceline for 19.99 Australian dollars. Keen to test this one out against the beauty blender I currently use. On to day 19, and we have the full-size First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I love that we're getting full sizes back to back closer to the Christmas day. That's very exciting. Now this is actually an intense repair hydrating cream for your face or body. It's 56.7 grams and retails at Sephora for 29 Australian dollars. This is also safe for sensitive skin. Day 20 is the Mini Advanced Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Molecular Boost Eye Cream. I like that first of all, it has hyaluronic acid, which we love and is super hydrating. This eye cream is 10 mils and retails for £98. That's actually quite pricey, wow. I once again can't find an Australian retailer that holds this product, so I don't have an Australian price for you, but this one does nourish, depuff, and reduce signs of aging around the eyes. On to the final stretch, and on day 21, we have the Ciate London Mini Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. I had no idea that this brand did primers, oh my gosh. This is also another product that we cannot find in Australian retailers. This is 10 mils, but the full size normally retails for £28. It is meant to leave a very dewy skin finish. Moving on to day 22, and we have a mini Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. It's 60 mils and retails at Revolve for $29.64 Australian dollars. This mask is meant to deeply condition, restore, and moisturize your hair in only 10 minutes. Okay, I am super keen to try this. It's also supposed to treat split ends and reduce frizziness. Winning! Day 23 is the Mini Rituals, the Ritual of Jing Relaxing Body Scrub. I have tried a few Rituals products and have never had a bad experience. This is one I haven't tried before. It's actually made with salt and magnesium in it, and it's 125 grams. The full size is 300 grams and retails for $35.70 Australian dollars at Catch. Can't wait to try this one. The second last day is a mini Eve L'Homme Rescue Mask. Now this one retails for $71.95 Australian dollars at Cosmetics Now. This is a product I haven't tried before, but it is very highly raved. It's supposed to be a detox mask that decongests your pores, which is a yes. This is 50 mils and it also absorbs excess oil, calms redness, and reduces puffiness. This was actually awarded the best mask for congested skin 7 years in a row. It definitely sounds like a winner, and I'm so glad this was included in the advent calendar. The final day of this advent calendar is the full size Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. This one has 20 colors inside and they are all pretty nice neutralish shades with a mix of matte and glittery shadows. I like that this can be used for light to glam makeup, and these shades are honestly pretty universal. It is also the biggest product and they put it on the last day, which I really loved. This palette retails for $108.10 Australian dollars at Revolve. So what did we think of this year's Lookfantastic Advent Calendar? Let me know in the comments below. Personally for me, I really liked the variety on offer from this advent calendar, and it included some of my favorite brands such as Espa, ELEMIS, NARS, Sol de Janeiro, and Medicate. It also included a variety of skincare, makeup, body, and hair care, which was really nice, and they even had some tools too. So even though it was quite pricey at 275 Australian dollars, I do think you get your money's worth, with the value being over 1100 Australian dollars. I think this is a nice advent calendar to start the season with. I always love a good multi-brand advent calendar for the variety. And if this is the calendar for you, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. Don't miss out on this one because multi-brand advent calendars always sell out pretty fast. Now, as always, thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!